Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So in this video, I will show you how to make this type of moving text video for your Instagram or for any platform. Like whenever you are moving your finger or any part of your body, and if you will pin there, that text will keep moving. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to make such video. So for this we need an application called Inshot. So once you will open this, you need to select a video for which you want to edit it. So I have selected this video, and you can type a text whatever you want. For example, I am typing this. You can select any font here. You can select the color of the text, background, whatever you want. You can modify as per your requirement. Now place it around finger. Now scroll this side and you will get the option as tracking. You have to click on start tracking. Now here I will play this video and you can see how this video look. Wherever I am moving my finger, this text is moving. So in this way you can make a video, and you can also save this video without watermark. You need to click on this cross and free watermark remove. You just need to watch one video and that watermark will be removed and you can save this video. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.